Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Clickup for beginners step by step. Clickup is a project management tool that helps you organize tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with your team. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Clickup website. Then, sign in to your Clickup account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Workspace. To create a new project, click the New button. Then select Space, Folder, or List, depending on how you want to organize your work. Next, enter a task name, then add a description if needed. Next, set a due date. You can also assign the task to yourself or a team member. Click Create Task to save it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Clickup for beginners. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more productivity tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.